Hello smart viewers, welcome to this channel again, DET Practical English Teaching. Well, this time I'd like to explain you about how to use to be in simple present. Well, we know that in simple present tense there are three kinds of to be. There are am, is, and are. I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, and they are. Well, after subject, we must use to be plus adjective, noun, or adverb. For example, I am a teacher. You are a doctor. She is a nurse. He is a policeman. It is a dog. We are humans. They are smart. I'm a teacher. Henry and John are brothers. He is my friend. We are doctors. They are engineers. It is a whiteboard. The people are busy today. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. No, because was is past tense, right? Well, we just use today. Today is Monday. Okay. The country is big. The tree is tall. The mountain is high. The sky is clear today. I'm very well. They are very well. He is a good person. Well, I hope that this video is useful. If you like it, you should subscribe, give comment, and share. Thanks for watching.